Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, and let me ask you something. Are you struggling to lose weight? Feeling like you've tried everything but those pounds just won't budge? Want to drop 10 kilograms in just 1 month without starving yourself? You see it all the time online, right? Lose weight fast. But how much of it actually works? Well, I'm here to tell you that it is possible, and you don't need some crazy fad diet to do it. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful homemade vegetable juices that help burn fat, boost metabolism, and keep you full. We're talking about real ingredients, real results, and no empty promises. Just delicious, nutritious juices that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. We'll break down each juice step by step, and I'll give you the inside scoop on why they work. Stay till the end for a bonus tip that will speed up your weight loss. Let's do this.
All right, let's kick things off with our first juice, the green detox juice. This is the one that will help kickstart your metabolism and detoxify your body. It's like hitting the reset button on your system. Now I know what you're thinking. Green juice? That doesn't sound very tasty. But trust me on this one. This juice is refreshing and surprisingly delicious, and it's packed with nutrients that will have you feeling amazing. We're going to use simple, easy-to-find ingredients that you can pick up at any grocery store. First up, we have cucumber. Cucumber is a natural diuretic, which means it helps flush out excess water weight. Plus, it's super hydrating, which is important when you're trying to lose weight. Next, we're adding in some spinach. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse. It's low in calories but high in fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. And don't worry, you won't even taste it in the juice. Of course, no green juice would be complete without some lemon. Lemon is a natural detoxifier and it helps boost your metabolism. Plus, it adds a nice refreshing tang to the juice. And finally, to really fire up that metabolism, we're adding a little bit of ginger. Ginger is a natural thermogenic, which means it helps your body burn more calories. It also aids in digestion and can help reduce bloating.
Our next juice is perfect for those times when you need a healthy snack or meal replacement. It's low in calories but high in fiber, so it will keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. We're starting with carrots, which are a great source of vitamin A and fiber. Carrots also help regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for preventing those energy crashes that can lead to overeating. And of course, we're adding in our trusty cucumber again for its hydrating and detoxifying properties. Remember, staying hydrated is key when you're trying to lose weight. To give this juice a little zing, we're adding in some lemon. Lemon not only enhances the flavor, but also aids in digestion and helps boost your metabolism. And finally, for an extra kick, we're adding a touch of ginger. Ginger is great for reducing inflammation and boosting your immune system. Plus, it adds a nice warming element to this refreshing juice.
This next juice is perfect for a pre-workout energy boost. It's packed with nutrients that will give you the stamina and endurance you need to power through your workout. We're starting with beetroot, which is a natural nitric oxide booster. Nitric oxide helps improve blood flow and circulation, which can enhance athletic performance. Beets are also a good source of antioxidants and nitrates, which have been linked to lower blood pressure and improved exercise performance. To balance out the earthy flavor of the beetroot, we're adding in some apple. Apples are a good source of carbohydrates, which provide your body with energy. They're also a good source of fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Choose a sweeter apple variety to really enhance the flavor of this juice. Of course, we're adding in our trusty lemon for its detoxifying and metabolism-boosting properties. Lemon also adds a nice, refreshing tartness to the juice. And finally, for an extra boost of energy and flavor, we're adding a touch of ginger. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory, so it can help reduce muscle soreness after your workout.
This next juice is specifically designed to help target that stubborn belly fat. It's low in calories, but high in nutrients that can help reduce bloating and support healthy digestion. We're starting with tomatoes, which are a good source of lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. Tomatoes are also a good source of vitamin C, which is important for a healthy immune system. Next, we're adding in some celery, which is a natural diuretic. Celery helps flush out excess water weight and can help reduce bloating. It's also a good source of fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. To enhance the flavor and add a boost of vitamin C, we're adding in some lemon. Lemon also aids in digestion and helps boost your metabolism. And finally, for an extra kick of flavor and to help reduce inflammation, we're adding a touch of ginger. Ginger is also great for soothing the digestive system.
Our final juice is a powerhouse when it comes to boosting your metabolism and supporting healthy digestion. It's low in calories but high in fiber, so it will keep you feeling full and satisfied. We're starting with cabbage, which is a cruciferous vegetable that's packed with nutrients. Cabbage is a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber. It also contains compounds that may help protect against cancer. To balance out the flavor and add a boost of vitamin C, we're adding in some lemon. Lemon also aids in digestion and helps boost your metabolism. And finally, to make this juice extra hydrating and refreshing, we're adding in some water. Staying hydrated is crucial for weight loss and overall health.
So there you have it, 5 powerful juices that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Which juice are you excited to try first? Comment below. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more weight loss tips. I'm constantly uploading new videos to help you live your healthiest life. And for more information on the best fat-burning foods, check out my next video. Click here. It's packed with even more tips and tricks to help you reach your goals. Until next time, stay healthy.